I always have a choice. Where to place my attention, how to spend my time. I have to remind myself of this daily. I was so tired after work. It would have been natural and even normal for me to stay in the house. I thought, if I closed my eyes even for a minute, I could easily fall asleep and take a nap. But the sun was shining, and I thought if I felt happier or more energetically alive, I'd want to go play in the forest, visit the streams, and sit listening to the sounds of nature, maybe reading The Secret Garden. I noticed I could identify with my internal language that said, if I felt better, I'd love to do that. And I noticed how I was keeping myself and my energy stuck by choosing to lay low and stay inside on this beautiful day. So I went out. I brought Bloom Kombucha, The Secret Garden, my deck of mushroom cards, a fairy quilted blanket, and my tripod. I put my phone on airplane mode, and I ventured out into the woods. I had a lovely time. I had no sense of time, except for my nose running after a few hours of being in the cool wind and my tummy growling as I was getting hungry for dinner. I was in complete bliss. My energy and aliveness came back, filling me with awe, gratitude, joy, connection, and contentment. I was fulfilled, deeply fulfilled. Had I listened to my low energy voice, I would have missed this change in scenery, change in energy, change in feeling, and change in perspective. Changes in my choices. I reminded myself I always have a choice. If I felt better, what would I like to do? And I listened. The interesting thing is I became what I wanted. I felt better. I felt more alive. I became a healthier and happier version of myself. These moments and choices can easily slip through the cracks and pass us by. I'm grateful I caught this one, and I took myself out on a wonderful adventure. Slowly, I'm changing my new normal. And it feels natural. I must say, I like this new normal. Going out into nature always revitalizes my energy. Seeing the beauty and feeling the aliveness all around and within me, I'm home. Bringing a delightful book with beautiful language set in nature was the icing on the cake for me today. I'd read for a while, then sit staring off into the great expansive forest, listening to the bubbling brooks and streams. My whole body, mind, and all my senses were in the present moment together, within nature, and oh so happy. I can always make excuses why not to do these things that bring me excitement. It can sometimes feel hard to break out of the rut I find myself in. Yet the joy I feel when I'm in these moments pulls me to return again and again. I'm grateful. I feel blessed to share with you. That's perhaps the cherry on top. I'm sending you sprinkles of magic and joy and inspiration, and I appreciate you. Thank you for watching.